Namaskaram. I know all of you are eagerly waiting for the updates on Rudraksh Diksha 2025. But before going into that, I want to show you something else, what has been offered just recently. So let's quickly look at this. So I have with me Adiyogi Rudraksha Prasadam. This has been offered now from in Isha Life. I'll just unbox this and show you what is inside there. You'll be really excited to see. So first we have this Adiyogi miniature statue included in this. This is the statue of Adiyogi that has been given here. Then there is one photo of Sadhguru and Adiyogi. Then there is this Dhyanlinga Prasadam. Now this Prasadam contains 6 pieces of sesame, black sesame laddus. This has been kept in the spears of Dhyanlinga for a certain period of time to energize it, and so this Prasadam is been kept in Dhyanlinga for a while. So you can get the benefit of this as well in this pack. Then there is this copper Sarpa Sutra, as you can see this. This is very important for a spiritual seeker, a meditator, because this stabilizes their energy system and it helps in enhancing their sadhana and meditation. And finally, this one, the Rudraksh. Now let me tell you something about this Rudraksh. This Rudraksh is a panchmukhi Rudraksh, and this Rudraksh has been worn by the in the Adiyogi's necklace, which you see the big Adiyogi Rudraksh mala. And this is kept there for a certain period of time. After keeping there a certain period of time, then it is taken down and then offered as a prasadam. So this has been worn by Adiyogi for a certain period of time, and this is a panchmukhi Rudraksh. So this is what I would say you should take benefit of this Rudraksh. It will help you enhance your spiritual journey and receive the grace of Adiyogi. So yeah, this is what this Adiyogi Rudraksha Prasadam kit is having all. So this Adiyogi Rudraksha Prasadam, you can get it from Isha Life online also. So we have mentioned all the relevant links and details in the description of this video. Namaskar.